In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open DuckDuckGo in Google Chrome. We'll start by pulling up DuckDuckGo, then we'll make it your default search engine in Chrome so every search from the address bar uses it. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along in a minute or two. First, open Google Chrome and click once in the address bar at the very top of the window. Type DuckDuckGo just like that. As you type, Chrome will suggest DuckDuckGo beneath the address bar. Go ahead and select that suggestion, then click it to open the DuckDuckGo homepage. Visiting the site first helps Chrome recognize it, which makes it easy to set as your default later. With DuckDuckGo open, look to the upper right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the browser menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where you manage things like privacy, appearance, and the search engine you use. On the left or in the main panel, find and click Search Engine. This section controls what Chrome uses when you search from the address bar. Now click Change. Depending on your Chrome version, this may appear as a drop-down or a button that opens the list of available search engines. In the list, find DuckDuckGo and click it. If you don't immediately see it, scrolling may help. Because we already visited the site a moment ago, Chrome usually adds it automatically. Once DuckDuckGo is highlighted, click Set as Default. That tells Chrome to use DuckDuckGo for all future searches you type into the address bar. Let's quickly verify that it worked. In the search engine section, you should see DuckDuckGo listed as the default. For extra peace of mind, click the address bar, type a simple word like weather, and hit enter. If you land on DuckDuckGo's results page, you're all set. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the change button looks different or you see a drop-down labeled search engine used in the address bar, choose DuckDuckGo from that drop-down. If DuckDuckGo wasn't listed at first, visiting DuckDuckGo.com beforehand, as we did, usually makes it appear. And remember, you can always come back to this same settings page to switch to any other search engine whenever you like. That's it. DuckDuckGo is now your default search engine in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more private search experience.